Hey everybody, it's me, Colleen. Stay strong, never give up, let's get through this together, and I can't wait to see everyone back on campus. Go Lightning Bolts!
Hi everybody, how you doing? I hope you're staying safe and everybody's well. I just want to let you know we really miss not being on campus with you, and can't wait to see you again. If you have any questions or need anything during this difficult time, please make sure you reach out to us, and go Lightning!
Hey all you cool cats and kittens. I hope you're doing well during this time and you're staying healthy. We miss you here at GBC. Can't wait to see you soon.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Warden here in my underground bunker, surrounded by all my essentials. And just wanted to say we're going to get through this. I hope you're coping in healthy and productive ways. I look forward to seeing you on campus real soon.
Hi, we miss you and hope to see you back on campus soon. Please be safe and be well. See you soon.
Hello, Goldey-Beacom College community. It's Allison White. I miss everybody a lot. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe and healthy. In the meantime, you all take care. Bye.
Hey there, Goldey-Beacom family. It's Coach Andy, out doing some geographical distancing today. I'd rather not socially distance from all of you, so please make sure you're staying in touch. Make sure you're staying active, getting some exercise every day, healthy mind, healthy body, and know you're all missed very much. Take care, stay active, and be well. Enjoy the day.
Hi, our GBC student. I hope you are well and safe and healthy. I'm hoping to see you all someday and cannot wait to go back to usual and meet you all in our campus.
GBC, I hope you're staying safe, staying healthy, and may the force be with you.
Hey everybody, can't wait to have you all back on campus. All this not having sports stuff is driving me nuts. And Oliver really misses you. Poor guy.
Hi everyone, checking in to see how you're doing. I miss all of you. Hope you and your families are staying healthy and safe. If you're bored, shoot me an email. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.
Guys, it's Derek Cordelli. I just want to say hello to everyone and stay strong. Hope everyone is well. Miss everyone. Miss having games on campus, but we'll be back on campus really soon. Everyone take care.
Hey everyone, this is Deanna Merritt, wishing my GBC family all the best. Stay healthy, stay safe, and together we'll come back stronger than ever.
I'm Donna Bratton in the LIT Department at Goldey-Beacom College. In times of stress, the best thing we can do for each other is to listen with our ears and our hearts, and to be assured that our questions are just as important as our answers.
Hi GBC, Dr. Evans here. I hope you're doing well. Take care.
Hey guys, Professor Fleury here. This recent crisis is a lot like these waves. They keep crashing on us and crashing on us. Eventually, they might even knock us on our butts. But we get up, we learn, we move on, and sometimes we see the beauty in it all. Stay safe, everybody.
Hey everybody, these are tough times for all, but you students are really killing it. I see it in my own classes, talking to the other professors. They say you're killing it too, so you're doing a great job. Talking to those professors virtually, by the way, not in person. Keep up the good work, and I can't wait to get back to class and see all my students and see all the other students too. Thanks.
Hey GBC community, it's Bernadine. Hope everybody's doing okay. My piece of advice would be to stay positive. Better days are on their way, and I can't wait to see everybody back on campus.
Hi, Deb Harbaugh here from the Financially Advised Wellness. We're all doing okay. Hope you are too. Give us a holler if you need anything. Email, phone call, even Zoom. We're happy to help. Thanks. Take care, everybody.
Hello. How are you doing? And I mean, how are you really doing? With everything going around us, it is okay to be nervous. It is okay to be stressed. But you are not alone. We are all in it together. And we are here to help. We will help in any and every way we can. Reach out to us. Reach out to anyone around you. And talk about any issue that is bothering you. And we all here to help. We will be glad to help in any way. being academic or otherwise. We are a family, and we will be here to help in every way we can. Reach out to us. Reach out to anyone around you and talk about it. And remember, we are all in it together. And together, we will get through it. We will get through it. Just keep that in your mind. And we will get through it. And it's gonna be okay.
Hey, my name's Joe Santamara. I work in the admissions department at Goldey-Beacom College. Just hope everyone out there is staying safe, staying at home. Miss everyone and hope to be back soon.
Hey GBC family, this is Brittany Krause from Goldey-Beacom College's business office staff. I am hoping all is well with everyone. Currently at home, working from home, missing our students and missing our staff. Looking forward to getting back in the office. Keep going, everybody.
Just remember, we're all in this together. Stay kind to one another, stay safe, and most importantly, stay home.
Hi everyone, it's Liz from Advising. Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. Enjoy this beautiful weather, but make sure you get all your work done, and if you have any problems, let us know. Stay safe. Love to my GBC family.
Goldey-Beacom cares about you. The faculty care about you. Take a moment to see the good. There's lots of goodwill. Take care.
Hey guys, it's Jocelyn. I just wanted to let you know that I'm thinking about you and that you're not alone. We have some great things planned for the fall, so make sure you stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands.
Hi GBC Community, it's Renee. I am missing all of you, so I made a makeshift office in my backyard. This is my Valerie. She likes to sleep, so we have her laying down. This is my Austin over here. He likes to prop his feet up. There's my Austin, and here's my Joey. This is my dance partner. Missing you all, hope to see you soon.
Hey everyone. Greetings from Robin, aka Campus Store. Take care, see you soon.
Hi students, it's a couple of your friends from Advisement, Academic Affairs, and Admissions. We just broke onto campus, but don't worry, we're practicing our social distancing. We're more than 6 feet apart. Hoping everything's going well. We're glad to hear from you guys, and keep up the good work for the spring semester.
Don't forget, keep your social distance and stay active. And don't forget, we're here for you all summer with online classes, so you can achieve greater.
Go Lightning!
Hi GBC Community, stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy the spring weather from home.
Hey GBC Community, it's Tatiana from the Student Affairs Office. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I'm sending everyone positive vibes.
Hello everyone, Jeff here. Please reach out to us if we can help you in any way. I've been talking to students all over the world, which is pretty cool, former students as well. But please let us know how you're doing. Let us know what we can do to help you out. And we're all in the GBC family together. Okay, guys? Take care.
You guys have shown so much resilience and so much bravery during this time. Forget achieving greater. You guys, you can achieve anything. Congrats to the class of 2020!